Earlier, ha?
Talk to me. Is this one like the others?
Well, same black blotches.
Ayan na.
And it's not post-mortem livid.
Ayan na ang bida natin!
No, this is
Laro po
different.
ba yan? Yes po, Resident Evil 9 just released today, 1 p.m.
6 survivors at Raccoon City Hall, dead from the same thing.
Yeah, that's not good.
No. No, it's not.
Let's go, baby!
I have something for you.
Ginagaya ko yung hairstyle
Settled
niyan,
on
eh.
a person of interest. Someone with ties
Kaya nang
to
papahaba tayo, eh.
Victor Gideon,
Welcome.
a former
What's up, King
T-virus
EJ?
researcher.
Thanks for following live, pero grabe yung grabe revolver nyo.
Missing police
Parang
officer.
revolver with a
It
desert
might be
motherfucking
unrelated, but
eagle,
it's
man.
near where the fifth body was found. You there, Leon?
Daddy Leon pa rin. Parang di siya tumatanda, girl. Daddy! Daddy, putukan mo ako! Pam! Let's go, Daddy! Let's go!
Check it out.
Grabe yung angas niya. Did you just hear my boyfriend? Hi, boyfriend! Sabi niya. By the way, guys, this camera that we are using is so good. Talaga. Different AI gestures together with the beautiful resolution of this camera. This is HubSpot camera, guys. Nasa Yellow Basket natin if you guys want to visit. Wow, nagbenta pa!
You over there?
Let's go, Leon!
Stuck in traffic. You've got to be shitting me.
Malay mo, ah. Just watch and learn. Saka makakita ng... Di ako akla, ha? Pero matatapos yung laro. Bitbit niya si Grace! Nakita na sila! Si Leon to! Go, 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 go! Dali!
What's going on? Is she okay?
Oh, she's fine.
Grabe ang tangkad!
Just taking her home.
Ang tangkad! Alam na ni Leon. Shit, magiging zombie sila, guys. Ayun yon. So that's the biohazard.
Leon, what's your sit rep?
I'm going after Victor.
So si Victor yung lalaki.
Do anything stupid.
Me?
Okay.
Never.
Is this it? Ito ba simula?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, what the hell, lady?
Help me!
You okay? What are you doing?
Hindi naman ako nasasaktan. Ay, hinis. Hinep. Ayan, nakakatin na. Ayun na. Ayun, tanggal ilong gusto. Ayan na, sabi ko na nga ba, ganyan yung nangyari sa pulis kanina, di ba? Something sa ulo. Melee attack. Uy, ang angas ng melee attack. Dead na yon? Is that good? Is that dead? Ay, kabangga.
Oh, fuck. Let's make this quick.
Hindi ko pa alam eh. Equip Requiem? What? What is that? Ibaril ba yung Requiem? Ang hirap ng aim, shit! Legit, no kidding. Ang hirap ng aim.
Leon, have you located Victor?
No, I lost him. Back to square one.
Not necessarily. Victor purchased a building after Umbrella went under. The Rhodes Hill Chronic Care Center. I'll send you the address. Leon,
Paano po mag-live?
we're running out of time.
You're gonna have to have hirap ng barilan dyan. Totoo, it's difficult. Ang hirap talaga. Ang hirap. Legit. Like kapag ina-aim mo yung barrel, madali. Sorry, pag tinututok mo siyang ganyan, pero kapag ka nag-right click ka na, nag-aim ka na, sobrang bagal na ng sensitivity niya. So di mo na matutok sa ulo. 3,000 plus pesos. Yes po, Pogi. Hindi, enough ko na. Mahirap talaga kahit kailangan. Parang ganon. Hindi, kailangan bago ako bumaril naka ano kayo. Natawag sa video. Ay, naka. Thanks for following the live creator. DC Cat. Saka si Pogi. Hello guys, welcome. Ayan, 3,000 plus sa PC pero sa PS4 kaya ang mahal, Diyos ko. What's up, Rosemary? Kinukuha na siya ng dugo. Feeling ko, kinukuha na siya ng dugo. Dalihan mo! Sapakin mo yan! Nabasag yung dugo na kinuha sa'yo. Sinayang mo lang yung dugo na kinukuha sa'yo. Diyos ko ka! Ayan, mapuputol mo yung tali. Go. You can do this, man. You can do this. Ba't ba sa demonic yung main topic ng game? Hindi po. Zombie game po ito. Resident Evil. Hey, Jennifer Lopez. How are you? Miss you, sissy. Guys, please keep tapping our screen and share the live para marami pa tayong tao na mapapasharean ng ginagawa natin. Hindi ko may paliwanag. Alam niyo na yan. Punch, nakabaliktad siya. Just how difficult this situation it is for her. Imagine, kinagat siya rito, tapos lahat-lahat na binitbit siya, pinatulog siya, hinang-hina na yung katawan nito physically. Tignan mo naman, putlang-putla na siya. Na-infect po ba siya? I guess so kasi nakagat siya kanina but we're not sure what's happening. Pero kasi sabi she's special so I guess she has something in her blood na gagamitin for maybe mass reproduction ng virus or whatever. We don't know. We're gonna have to discover first. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, what is this? That's a lot of blood. Eh, dugo mo yan eh, gunggong. Naglikot-likot ka dyan, tas that's a lot of blood. Looks like it measures vital signs. Alright. Pwede maka-ask ng questions. Go with a question, man. Go with a question. 10-3. Began blood extraction. Check pulse. No abnormalities. 10-11. Administered Dexifil. Condition stable. Ready for further examination. Okay, that's what we have read. Okay, yun yung findings ni Victor sa atin. Remember, Victor is the guy who kidnapped us. Okay, yung nagsuot ng mask. What was that? So, ilaw? What the fuck? Why would you do that? Wala tayong flashlight! Ano to, hospital? Yan, yung mga nakalapag na ganyan, pwedeng, alam nyo naman, Resident Evil to, pwedeng potion yan, yung mga halaman sa gilid. I mean, I have a suggestion. What suggestion do you have? Go po. Anong missing ng game? We're gonna have to figure out kung anong nangyayari sa city na ito. There's a virus or something that's spreading. Patay na yan, Diyos ko! Grace!
He's dead.
Obviously. Huwag mo nang kulitin pag yan gumalaw. Testing. Infected. Stop. Just what the fuck, man? Ay, hindi siya pwede sa ilaw. Hindi siya pwede sa maliwanag. Takbo! Run! Run! Ah! Nandito na siya agad! Please run! Feeling ko hindi mo matatapos yung laro. Akala mo lang yun, sis. Magugulat kapag ka natapos ko agad to. Maniwala ka sa akin. So, dapat ba hindi maingay at walang liwanag?
Please, Mom.
Visit to, masyado siyang nasa startle talaga. Go, 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 go. Okay, go, 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 go. Ang bagal mo, Grace! Grace, ang bagal mo! Grace, ang bagal mo! Grace! Grace, bilis! Grace! Look at me, bilis! Bilis! Natutunan siya! Hinawakan tayo! Siya, tinatak tayo! Let go! Let go! Let go! Matutunan sa araw! Matutunan yan sa liwanag! Shit! 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 Grace, bakit napakahina mo ang klase ng nilalang?